Kirby Raimundo will enter this game para sa Barangay Ginebra.
Let's look at both sides. If you're Barangay Ginebra, you want to make sure that you're the last team to shoot. If you're Petron, kung sakaling napaaga ang tira ng Barangay Ginebra, the player that gets the rebound better call a timeout quick.
Kagiwa maglalabas, Bozeman meets it. Kasama nila si Meyerhofer, Raimundo, and Ababu. Bozeman will waste away the time kontra dito kay Chris Lutz. 7 seconds remaining in this game. Bozeman didiscarte, goes to his right. Bozeman looking to go all the way. It's Cedric Bozeman buries it with 3/10 of a second remaining. And Barangay Ginebra will pull this one out of the fire. Cedric Bozeman with a huge shot.
You know, we got to see that playing once again. And it almost seemed, Magu, kung titignan natin yung play na yon, parang napaaga yung parang nahuli na ang atake ng Barangay Ginebra. But it was just in time para dito kay Cedric Bozeman. Talk about a game in which would epitomize yung pagre-retiro ng numero ni Coach Danny Jaworski. This is probably go down in Barangay Ginebra folklore. Cedric Bozeman, all game long sinasabi natin, we want to see an imprint in this game in which Cedric Bozeman really made a big shot or something happening in this game. None bigger than the game winner para dito kay Cedric Bozeman.
At dahil dyan, naging dalawa ang ating best player for this particular ball game. Big win para dito sa Barangay Ginebra as we take different looks at that magical play in front of this 15,000 strong Big Dome. 87-85 is your final score. What a finish here inside the Smart Araneta Coliseum.